So today, I have my sous chef. He's gonna tell you what we're cooking.
We're cooking some soup.
Alright, so we're gonna get our chicken stock ready first. We need, what are these? Gonna take our chicken bones.
Yeah, take our chicken bones out.
Water.
We'll have to put some water inside there.
Got some water. I'll pour it here.
Yes.
Gonna
Whenever you make
more
a mess,
water.
if you make a mess, just clean it up after. That is my dad's discipline.
So we're gonna do 12 cups of water.
Ooh, that's hot. We don't want to touch that. Bring that pot to the stove.
To the stove.
What we're going to do is turn on the stove. Then this is going to be boiling.
Alright, so turn your stove on, high heat. Tablespoon of salt.
We're going to hear it boiling. Get your lid.
And do what with it?
And close the pot.
Alright, close the pot. Bring that to a boil. Okay, so as your water starts to come to a boil, there's going to be some scum. Some scum on the top there. I'm going to remove that with our sieve, okay? So grab our sieve.
Grab our sieve.
We're just going to get rid of that. Alright, so we got the majority of that. Go ahead. That go back in. Put your lid back on.
Yes. Lid back on. Okay?
And let it boil.
Let it boil.
Careful, turn it down to number 4. You got it?
That's up to
Boiling really nice and well.
Yeah.
Turn it down to low.
Yep. Low.
And we'll just let that boil still another hour still. It just started boiling.
Here we have our onion, our garlic,
Just here. Celery.
our celery, and our 3 carrots.
And our 3 carrots.
Cut
We're
them
just
off.
gonna take a couple cloves of garlic.
Yep. Cut them
Okay.
off.
And we're just gonna take these and throw them in the pot there. So for our onion, just chop it in half. Remove this outer layer
Yeah.
that you would usually probably discard. We'll put that in the pot. Skin, everything, doesn't matter. Okay? Next, we have our carrots.
Yeah.
Just chop the ends off. These ones, the ends are chopped off there. Come back here, carrot. Chop that one off. Also throw that. Oh, where are you going? Come back here. Throw those in the pot. Alright.
Don't throw those in the trash, because you will make.
We got this little piece of celery. It's not really. Throw that in the pot.
Yep. We'll throw
Alright.
some of these.
Next, we'll prep our vegetables. We need to peel these carrots.
Here's
Got
the
the peeler.
Let's peel the carrots.
Grab your peels.
Throw them in the pot.
Throw them in the pot.
Hot pot.
Put a lid on it. Alright. That has about 30 minutes left to boil. And then it should be prime for our meal. We're going to make lentil soup. So first thing, we'll just grab our celery. Just going to give it a rough chop. I'm going to take about half of it already and put it in the pot for the chicken stock. Just grab a handful here.
Grab a handful. You don't need to carry everything. No. How much you can carry is okay.
Yeah, that's right. Grab a bowl for the rest of this.
You put everything in there.
Put it in a bowl. Set it aside. Grab your onion.
Cut them in half.
Cut it in half. I cut it in 4, so how many is that?
8.
8, yeah. Next, grab your carrots. I'm gonna cut them in half.
Where are you going,
The
carrots?
carrots like to fly. Right, cut that one.
Don't go.
Okay, so we got our vegetables prepped.
Those prepped.
Got about 20 minutes left on the chicken stock, so we'll let that boil, and then we'll finish up cooking here real soon.
Now we're going to soak our lentils. We need 1
1¼ cups of lentils.
Put these in a ball. Don't forget to don't spill these out. Don't spill those.
And we'll put a 1/4 cup.
Soak them.
Alright. Let those soak soak.
Let them soak. Make them turn into green.
They're gonna soak about 15 minutes in that water.
15 minutes, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to
We're gonna do what?
Yum. We're going to taste it.
I gotta taste it to make sure it's ready. All right.
Yum. Ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
It's ready.
All right.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
we just take it off the stove. Oh, spread that.
We're going to drain the lentils.
Drain the water from the lentils.
Yeah.
Turn this pot on high heat. Okay, pan's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and add our oil.
Add our oil.
Alright, got the oil in there.
No problem.
Give it a shake. Alright. Next, what will we put? What's this?
The onion and the celery. There.
Alright, add those. Add the carrots.
Carrots, yes.
Alright, where's our spoon?
Our spoon.
Give them a stir around. Andre will put those on the counter over there for us. So nice of him. I'm gonna cook these about 7 to 10 minutes until they're translucent.
Yeah. And some to ten.
We'll put our garlic in there. Andre, put your garlic. Thank you. Caitlin, put your garlic. Wow, nice shot.
Wow.
Alright.
My sister scored
Stir that around.
without even
Alright.
keeping that into the pot. I don't want to put my. I don't
1 bay leaf in the pot. Next, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric in the pot. Next, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder in the pot.
Human powder.
Okay, give it a stir.
I'm helping.
Smells delicious. Then we're gonna take our chicken broth. Okay, pour it in there. 6 cups. 6 cups of broth. There's 2 plus 4.
Good. Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, this smells good.
Bring this to a boil. At the same time as we put the chicken stock, we're gonna add our soaked lentils.
Soaked lentils.
Okay.
Soaked.
Get them all in there.
Don't want to have some left behind.
Never leave a lentil behind.
Yep.
Floating around in there. Alright. Now we just... Alright, Andre's gonna put the lid for us. Thank you, Andre. Alright, let's wait 15 to 20 minutes. We'll give it a stir about halfway through. That's here. Say excuse me to Andre. Woo. This is very hot. We need to blend it to a smooth consistency.
A slotted spoon.
Put some in there. Okay. Put it on there. So we're just gonna cover. Okay. It's about half. Do more than that, it's gonna shoot out of the top of the blender. We'll put a rag on top, kitchen towel. Turn that blender on. Okay.
Like some's popping
That's
out.
good for that. If you have an immersion blender, it's a lot easier. We don't have. Alright. Pour it back in the pot. Alright.
What about you want to look at the bottom?
Alright, just take your salt, some black pepper.
Black pepper.
Alright.
That gives it
There's that.
a taste.
And give it another stir.
Dad, it's like you're cooking egg.
Looks like egg.
Yeah.
Scrambled eggs.
It's not.
Alright.
It's still soup.
That's done. You want to transfer it to some serving bowls.
Serving bowls, yeah.
Serving bowl.
No,
Is serving bowl. Just transfer it to a bowl and you're ready to eat. Grab your lemon. Alright.
Back.
A little squirt of lemon.
I don't want to have this lemon.
But it's yummy.
It's good.
Let us know what you think down in the comments.